How to change lock screen apps on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down on the screen from the top. You are now in your lock screen. Now, touch and hold the lock screen. Here, tap on Customize below. From here, you can customize the wallpaper of both your lock screen and home screen. Tap on your lock screen. Here, touch and hold the Controls section as shown. Then, tap on the minus sign above the controls you want to remove from your lock screen. In the section below, you can search for or select other controls to add to your lock screen. Scroll down to explore the controls available in the suggestions. Tap on all the controls that you want to add here. You can repeat this to add other controls below as well. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily change lock screen apps on iPhone.